a color experiment.
And it turned to a volcano.
It could turn into a volcano. You remember this experiment a little bit?
Hmm?
Yeah? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put vinegar inside these containers, okay?
Like potato.
Let me put some in here. I want you guys to have enough to have a little bit of fun, okay? No, you guys have equal amounts. It should be equal amounts, see? You guys, yeah, it's like equal amounts.
I'm ready.
You're ready? Okay, wait,
I'm
wait,
ready.
not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. So there's gonna be vinegar in that. And here, we are going to put food coloring, okay? Yes. So I am gonna put
Red. I'm
random. You guys are ready?
Is it color?
So I'm gonna put one red.
Oh, red. Color red.
Ay. So there's red everywhere. We're gonna put some blues.
Blue.
Oh. And some of these are gonna be mixed with blue. And next, we're gonna do some yellow. Okay, this is baking soda, okay? So I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of baking soda inside each little area, okay?
I want to do it.
I'm gonna do it because I know you guys will probably get a little wild with it, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna do this part, okay? So I'm gonna put 1.
And we're gonna find them.
Yep, we're gonna see what happens with the colors. You see how they're kind of hidden?
Mm-hmm.
Well, they're supposed to be fully hidden. It's supposed to be like a surprise. A
I want
surprise
to
of
put it
colors.
on mine.
You want to put it on yours? Let me do this part, deal? Okay, now let's do over here. Oh, hold on, Mommy. So we got yours. Hold on, please.
I'm ready.
You're almost ready. We're
I'm
gonna,
so ready.
yeah. So I feel like you guys are rushing me. Hey, no, don't touch it. You guys are definitely rushing me. I feel like for some reason
It's
I have
cold.
to hurry
It's
up.
cold. It's cold.
It is cold. How is it cold? Okay. So hold on.
We're ready.
Almost ready.
There's snow.
Okay, so we are going to actually put this. I'll do it, okay? That
one
way,
heavy.
yeah. That way if anything does spill, it spills on top of this.
Look.
Yes? Let
Mom.
me do this part, Mommy.
Look it.
Look, that it's okay if it's hanging off
Big.
for a little bit. You see, look at that. So she's
And I'm
safe.
ready.
You're safe. Now we're gonna put this. That's vinegar. Put a little bit on each one. Put it on all of it. Wow. Put a lot. Go, sis, let's go. Whoa. You guys hear that? The baking soda and the vinegar are having a reaction. They're reacting together. And they're like little mini volcanoes. And because we put food coloring in there, it's turning a certain color. Isn't that cool? Are you running out, Sebas? Here, you're gonna need more. Make sure you spread your vinegar evenly, okay? Don't just put it all in one. See how baby puts it in different ones? And because I'm refilling your cup, I know she's gonna want more too. Put it in all of it. I wanna see what color changes happen over there. Put more.
Let me touch it.
Go on the other ones. No touching it. No touching it. Over there, puppy. Over there. Do it on the ones that have no color yet.
It's gonna turn red and white.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Wow, there's so many different colors happening right now. And you guys are squeezing the bottles. You're squeezing it with your hands. Wow. What colors do you guys see? Can you tell me the colors you see, Serena?
The red and ladder and red and black and green.
Wow, lots of colors. And what about you, Sebastian? What colors do you see?
Orange, yellow, white, red. What's that color?
It looks like yellow.
The yellow, blue, yellow, white, white. Orange, purple, white.
Yep, so I think we're supposed to have some colors. So guess what? I'm going to shake it a little just in case some colors didn't mix. And let me see. The more pressure you put, that's when the colors start to mix. See how I squeezed it really tight? More came out and it added extra force, and that's why I was able to mix the colors. Now what colors do you see?
Orange, yellow, black, red, yellow. Black, orange. It's mixing of little colors.
Dark green.
Dark green. Light green.
Don't touch it.
Ew, it's green. It's like rainbows. Purple, blue.
Yes, you guys did
Let
good.
me touch it.
Don't touch it. This is an experiment. We don't touch and mess around with experiments. It's okay. Was this cool?
Yes.
Yeah, you guys had fun?
Yes.
Are you guys ready for the next activity?
Let me do experiments.
Okay, you guys can keep going. I'm going to set up the next activity, okay?